You ready to get your bush tamed?
Mm-hmm. I'm going to tame this bush.
Yes.
Before we get started, make sure you subscribe to our channel and find us on Instagram.
Sharzad Kiade.
And Susan Yara.
We're fun.
Sharzad.
Yes, Susan?
What comes to mind when I say keratin?
Ooh, silky smooth hair and lots of protein.
Mm-hmm. You guys, keratin is basically the protein that makes up our hair, and that's what makes it shiny and healthy and beautiful, just like Sharzad said. But you might have noticed my hair doesn't look that beautiful today, and I've been dealing with a lot of
The
frizziness and
baby bangs.
Your hair texture just changes
It
after
does.
you have a baby, and you lose a lot of it, then you get this regrowth, and then it just
Crazy stuff happens after you have a baby.
It's true.
We're gonna change all of that today.
It's true, you guys. We are at Salon Kazumi. We're gonna see the owner, Kazumi Morton, and she is going to give me a keratin treatment. And I am so excited because I've been wanting to get a keratin treatment for years, and I've been just kind of scared to do it.
Ooh, I say we do it right now. You ready?
I'm ready.
So Susan's very excited. I'm very excited for her. I think the first question that comes to my mind is what's the difference between like a Brazilian blowout and a keratin treatment?
I get that question all the time. Basically, Brazilian blowout, it's the brand, it's a company. So they do the same keratin. So it goes under same keratin umbrella, and they have different brand. HUD, Brazilian blowout, and they have few other companies.
Got it. So it's like saying like Kleenex.
I was
like
going to say
tissue,
Q-tip,
like
right?
Q-tip,
Exactly,
like that kind of stuff.
exactly.
Okay.
Yes.
All
And
right.
also how we do it, makes a difference too. Not just a brand. How we do it is so important.
I've always been curious about doing this to my hair because I feel like my texture, it's like very wavy and thick and everything. I feel like I've always been the right candidate for it, but I've been really scared to do it because I've been scared of drying out my hair, and I've been worried that I was gonna mess up the texture of my hair.
No, you don't have to worry about it as long as you go to the right person.
Okay.
They really have to know what they're doing, and they have to have a right experience for it. All I do is chemical, color, and keratin straightening. And I've been teaching straightening for over 20 years.
Okay.
So I understand the hair structure, especially your hair has been colored, correct? So your hair texture here and ends are different. So I'll be using probably less product on the ends and less heat on the ends. So, the person have to really, care for the hair, and they have to customize it, according to your hair porosity and texture.
So am I gonna end up with like 3 or 4 months from now, is this part of my hair, the growth, is that gonna be like frizzy and wavy,
question.
and then the rest of it's gonna be straight?
Well,
or?
keratin is, one of the great things about keratin is every time when you wash your hair, it comes out a little bit because it coats outside of the hair. It doesn't really change inside of the hair structure, not like Japanese straightening. So it comes off gradually. So it's not you're gonna have like crazy kinky regrowth and then straight ends.
Straight, oh my God, can you imagine?
I mean, but like
But
a
that's a good
Japanese
question.
straightening can do that, right?
It can do that,
Yeah.
and depends how it's done too. Because Japanese straightening, I teach that method also, and it can be very gentle. It can be pin straight, which we don't really do it anymore. But keratin, it gradually washes out, so it's more forgiving.
I actually didn't know it washes out.
Is this damaging on her hair, or is
No,
this actually
it's
a
not.
treatment that's gonna?
It's not damaging, but it's not conditioning treatment.
Okay.
It's not.
It's not conditioning treatment. So, but it feels like conditioning treatment because when we finish, your hair will be nice and smooth and shiny, and it's easier for you to blow dry and style. And when you blow dry, it will last longer.
So am I going to be able to, this would be my dream. You tell me if my dream is about to come true.
Okay.
My dream would be to be able to wash my hair and let it air dry. Because right now, if I let it air dry, it's like, it's a mess. I can't leave the house with my
I
hair
haven't
air dry.
even seen your natural hair yet.
Well, you want to see it?
Yeah,
Like,
that's
this
really
is actually
depends.
kind of smoothed out.
Oh, already?
Yeah,
So
a
it's
little
not as
bit.
thick hair.
A little bit.
I'll be able to tell you that more after I shampoo your hair and then see the truth.
Yeah.
Does that make sense?
I just spit.
Does that make sense?
Yeah.
So yes, some people can do that wash and go, but if your hair is really frizzy and coarse, you still have to blow dry the hair.
Okay.
So it's not like it's not like magic solution.
Right, it's not
Everyone
magic.
can go wash and go. That's more Japanese straightening.
Okay.
It's more wash and go, but the keratin doesn't have that much power to it. And this is like it just tamed the frizz down, and it cuts down blow dry time in half.
Which will
that's great.
also be good, right?
Yeah.
Because it takes me
takes
like
you a
an
long
hour
time.
to blow dry my own hair.
Yeah, you do have a lot of thick,
Yeah. I
have a lot of
thick
hair.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But definitely, this will definitely help.
Okay.
That I promise.
Kazumi, what kind of maintenance does she need to do after this? We know that she couldn't color her hair for 2 weeks before the treatment.
correct.
What about after? Like, can she color it? Can she use hot tools on it?
Usually, I will wait 1 week to do the base color, gentle color. But for the highlight, I will wait this at 4 weeks.
Okay.
Oh, wow.
And then you shouldn't wash your hair for 48 hours
After
from
today.
After.
Okay.
Yeah. You just want to let it sit, and then you can use your sulfate-free shampoo, and you can
Sulfate-free.
color, regular base color 1 week and highlight like 4 weeks.
Should anybody avoid this treatment? Is this
If
like...
your hair is like white, bleached white,
Yeah.
you do want to avoid it.
Okay, good to
because
know.
it's
Might be too much.
Too much.
Too much.
Too much.
Okay.
Yes, and
But-
we do have a mild, gentle one and
Yeah.
strong one, and then you can use it do it with a really low temperature.
Yeah.
So again, go to the person who has lots of experience, know
Right.
what they're doing. So you really have to customize the product and how we approach the hair.
Sounds like the most amazing treatment ever because
know.
it's going to cut the time that you spend getting ready in the morning like
Yep.
in half,
Yep.
which as a mom is key.
Yeah.
Everybody, all right, let's
I'm
go.
ready. Let's do
Let's
this.
do it.
Okay.
Pretty bird.
Yes,
Susan,
pretty bird it is, but
thick
she's
hair.
got a bush in the back. It's so interesting. This happens to a lot of people. Let's show what I'm doing.
So you're going to tame
what I'm
Susan's
doing.
bush.
Yes.
All
So
right.
she's got lots of hair and very curly, very coarse, very wiry too. It's my lucky day. Yes. But I was telling you, I do a little bit of test because a lot of clients conveniently forget what there is underneath.
Yeah.
And what I do is I take.
I was honest though. I told you I had blonde hair.
You are a good girl, but everyone's not like you.
Good girl, Susan.
So I make a little bit of knot, and then I see this part, it opens up a little bit, but the ends, it doesn't really move, right? That would tell me there's a lot of porosity on the
Okay.
ends.
Cool.
Means a lot of highlights.
Yeah.
Right?
So porosity means like the pores are open.
Right.
Is that what that means?
More
Okay.
damaged.
Oh,
It's
more
just-
damaged.
Yes,
Okay.
more damaged. It's just damaged.
Which
sounds
means
harsh.
like any treatment will take more there.
Take more, yes. And also I like to be gentle because this can damage the hair.
Okay.
It's not actual conditioning treatment and it doesn't really repair the hair, but if it's done wrong way, it can damage the hair.
Right.
So stylists really need to know what we are dealing with, what's underneath, what kind of chemical treatment you had previously.
Yeah.
So those things are very important.
Right.
Let's get you started.
Okay, I'm excited.
for you.
What's step one?
So the step one, we shampooed your hair with a special shampoo, special deep cleansing shampoo to remove all the impurities and build up from your hair. And then step two is applying the actual keratin, but I'm really massaging in and combing at the same time. This is gonna help to get in your hair a little bit. And step three, we blow dry your hair. And step four is iron. That's it. So it's very simple procedure. So what I'm doing is just combing through your hair, and this is gonna help to get a little bit more into the hair cuticle. So I'm more working in the back because front, I know it's gonna do perfectly.
Okay.
But the back is a bit more resistant. So I'm just combing in, I'm gonna massage your hair a little bit. We're gonna blow dry you now.
I'm gonna
Ready?
get blown out.
Yeah.
I like it.
So Susan's looking sexy with her straight hair.
Yes, so I'm gonna put a little bit of oil on her mid shaft through the ends to make it nice and shiny.
Okay.
And tend a little bit of that hair,
flyaways.
the flyaways. You
Yeah.
fix that.
So
And
we're done with the treatment, but this isn't the result yet because it's sitting.
correct. So you're all done, and about 2 days, you're gonna shampoo your hair, and when you shampoo, that's when you see the actual result.
The actual result.
Okay.
Okay, so the result is in 2 days.
2 days, exactly.
Okay.
And see if we got rid of the bush.
Yes.
I love it. Can't wait to find out.
Susan, you look fabulous. Your
it
hair
my
looks
hair?
so good.
Is
It's
it
your
my
hair,
hair?
it's your face, it's your lips, and it's everything about you. You're so
Ah.
pretty. You went back
Life-changing.
in for another like touch up, and she gave you
I
a
did.
little extra color.
Well, she suspected that she might have to maybe potentially do a little bit more on the back because she
that's where you
wasn't
had more
sure.
curl.
Yeah, she wasn't sure if it was going to take.
Same in that bush.
But she was pleasantly surprised, and it did. And I love this.
Okay,
You know
okay,
what's
good.
funny about keratin treatment is I'd never done it before, and it was because I was scared that it was going to ruin my hair.
or that you wouldn't be able to curl it or
Yeah.
do stuff like that, right?
Yeah,
Okay, but
exactly.
this was actually good for your hair.
I love it. I can't
Yeah.
believe I haven't done this all the time. My blow dry time takes like a quarter of the time now.
Nice.
I've actually even just been letting it air dry a little bit and then maybe just
Put
like
a curl
little
in it?
curl.
I love doing
And that's
that.
it. I feel like it's silkier looking. It's
Looks great.
easier to maintain. I'd say the one thing I've lost is maybe just a little bit of the volume. Like I
Oh,
used to
yeah.
have like a little bit more volume at the root of my hair, and I feel like now I'm like actually adding a little bit more, like having to like play with it a little bit more with product and stuff.
Yeah.
But besides that, this is life changing.
She's awesome, and she
She
has
really
great
is.
hair too. And I feel like she really cares, and she's an educator for these kind of treatments, so she really knows like the ins and outs of how it works. And I mean, I feel like she really analyzed your hair really well.
Yeah,
and,
and
knew
she
that you would
customized.
need- Yeah,
like
she customized.
she's
Exactly.
really good about like customizing it for your hair.
Very nice.
Very nice.
Very nice.
Very nice.
Salon Kazumi charges $350 to $450 for this treatment, and she's fabulous. You guys are
really
gonna
is.
love her.
She's
a
super
sweetheart.
fabulous.
Totally.
I don't think that's cheap, but I also think that, you know,
It's a salon in Beverly
kind of-
Hills,
yeah.
and she's got a lot of experience.
She's
So,
got a
and
lot
but you get what you pay
of
for too.
experience.
You get a really happy set of locks. Thank you guys so much for watching this episode of the SASS. Give it a thumbs up. Come on, it's free. It's easy. Do it.
and leave us a comment and subscribe
and do all the things.
And you know what? While you're at it, join us in our private Facebook group. It's called Beauty and Wellness Questions Answered. We will leave a link in the description box.
Linky
below.
dinks. We'll see you guys soon. Bye.